It wouldn't be a Mavic if it couldn't go with you anywhere, anytime. We kept that same foldable design and tweaked a few things that make a world of difference. After countless hours of research and testing, Mavic 2's refined chassis and low-noise propellers make it DJI's most advanced aerodynamic aircraft to date. These subtle yet powerful improvements give you a smoother, quieter flight for greater discretion when the situation requires. Mavic 2 extends your creative potential with up to 31 minutes of flight time and a max speed of 72 kilometers per hour in sport mode. The all-new OcuSync 2.0 provides a 1080p transmission signal up to 8 kilometers, so you can edit full HD footage directly from the cache on your mobile device. 2.4 to 5.8 GHz auto switching offers better performance in environments with busy signal interference. For the first time in a DJI drone, Mavic 2 boasts obstacle sensors on all sides of the aircraft. Its digital nervous system continually transmits data to a new, more powerful central processor. The aircraft analyzes every inch of its surroundings to move around obstacles without stopping, so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot. When you have a need for tracking at high speeds, stay fully immersed in the action with ActiveTrack 2.0. Aided by its vision systems, Mavic 2 maps a 3D view of the environment for greater accuracy and tracking up to 72 kilometers per hour. Trajectory prediction algorithms also help to maintain course when your subject is blocked by an obstruction. DJI goggles users can enjoy an enhanced experience with a clearer video feed and lower latency. When it comes to portability or quality, small details or the big picture, your vision or reality, Mavic 2 brings the best of both worlds. So you can explore the outer reaches of your imagination and create content that truly feels out of this world.
Whether you create content for a living or just have a passion for visual storytelling, finding the right tool to express your vision is crucial. When it comes to capturing aerial content, the right tool must combine the precision of high-resolution imaging and the power of a solid, stable aircraft. As a creative professional, you need to capture aerial imagery in captivating detail. With the precision of the Typhoon H+ 1-inch high-aperture C23 camera, you can confidently deliver 4K ultra-high-definition video and stunning 20-megapixel still images to exceed your clients' expectations. You can depend on the power, stability, and safety of the Typhoon H+ 6-rotor hex airframe. Get the job done right every time, even in the windiest of conditions. Fly with peace of mind that in case of emergency, your unique hexacopter can safely return to home on only 5 rotors. Intelligent flight modes like Journey and Orbit make it easy to capture dynamic shots with ease. A quick tap of the button and you can create advanced cinematic shots efficiently and reliably. Provide your clients professional quality aerial imagery with the Typhoon H+ 6-rotor platform. You've just located the ideal vantage point. Now it's time to get airborne and capture the beauty of this place. Don't let any obstacles get in your way. The Typhoon H+ with Intel RealSense technology automatically navigates obstacles, allowing you to focus on capturing the forest without hitting the trees. Looking to add that action shot to best tell your story? Follow Me mode, combined with Intel RealSense technology, provides a safe way to capture your subject in action. With its high precision, all-new 1-inch sensor camera and unmatched flight stability, the Typhoon H+ is a powerful tool for today's creative professional.
Sensor technology and the Umbrella H2 image processor, EVO captures every stunning moment at 60 frames per second, up to 100 megabits per second. Precision glass optics and a 94-degree field of view provide sharp, clear images like this. Computer vision is the next evolution of obstacle avoidance. Binocular vision sensors on the front of EVO and 2 on the bottom help EVO create a 3D world and recognize its surroundings. These sensors combined with the camera allow EVO to track and recognize its subject while still avoiding obstacles in its path. EVO still has you covered when flying in reverse with rear-facing IR obstacle avoidance. EVO keeps up with fast-moving subjects and records action like never before. An intuitive controller that is easily mastered operates EVO even without a mobile device. The 3.3-inch OLED screen displays basic telemetry as well as live view from the camera. The all-new Autel Explorer app downloads to your mobile device and unlocks EVO's full potential. A familiar design, intelligent flight modes, and the 1080p live view make the Autel Explorer app a very powerful tool. Change color profiles and camera settings for a streamlined post-production workflow. Use Dynamic Track to act as your second pilot or camera operator. Viewpoint to quickly scout a new area just by tapping on the screen. The Autel Explorer app provides you with all of the information needed for the pilot to evaluate their flight, such as weather, flight zone restrictions, flight logs, and aircraft performance data. EVO is about power in a portable package. Fly longer and more reliably with up to 30 minutes of flight time, radio reception of over 4.3 miles. A longer range means a more stable connection in different environments. All of this is backed up by best-in-class 7 days a week customer service based out of Seattle, Washington. Autel Robotics. EVO, the evolution of flight.